In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to a meeting agenda in Zoom meetings. If you've ever felt a meeting drift off track, an agenda is your best friend. I'll walk you through creating one directly while you schedule your Zoom meeting, adding your topics, setting optional timers to keep things moving, and saving everything so it's ready for your participants. Start by opening Zoom and signing in. From your main view, head to the option you use to set up a new meeting and click Schedule. This takes you to the familiar scheduling screen where you normally choose your meeting title, date, and time. Think of this as your planning hub. Before you finish scheduling, we're going to add the agenda right here so everything lives in one place. Look for the option labeled Create Agenda and click it. This opens a simple workspace for your meeting plan. You don't need any special formatting, just focus on clarity. In the Agenda panel, begin typing your topics in the order you want to address them. It helps to start with a brief welcome and objective, then list each discussion point. Keep titles short and clear so people can scan quickly. If it's helpful, include a brief note after a topic, like a key question or the outcome you expect, such as decision, update, or next steps. That extra context keeps everyone aligned without clutter. Next, you can also add a timer for each topic. This is optional, but highly recommended. Assign a realistic duration to each item, long enough for meaningful discussion, but short enough to keep momentum. Prioritize the most important topics first in case time runs tight, and leave a small buffer at the end for questions or action items. Timers give the host a clear pacing guide and make it easier to nudge the conversation forward without feeling abrupt. When your topics look good and your timers are set, click Save. Your agenda is now attached to the scheduled meeting. You'll see it in the meeting details so you can refer to it when you review your schedule, and your participants can see what to expect. A clear agenda helps attendees prepare, arrive with the right information, and stick to the plan, which saves time and results in better decisions. That's it. Schedule, create your agenda, type your topics, add timers if you like, and save. With this simple workflow, your Zoom meetings will be more focused, predictable, and productive from the very first minute.